I'll be telling you all about an app which I built while 30 Day of Kotlin challenge which was there by Google. So basically the name of the app is About Me app. The work this app do is to tell people about me. So if you are a programmer or you are in an industry where you want people to know about you, so you can have an app for that which you can list on your website, and people can download it and know about you and can connect with you from the links which you have provided in that app. So let's have a look at the initial screen. So the initial screen basically tells you about the name, about whom the app is, below which it displays a star. You can change the image with whatever you want. After which you have the description. Change these two lines. Rest all the description I have kept them as it is default. And after I have applied a scroll view here, so that the text which I am adding here can be scrolled up or down. You can enable scroll view, or you can make the size of the text small to disable the scroll view or remove it from your app. So yeah, I will link the code for this app in the description below, which is basically the link for my GitHub repo, and all my social media handles will be also there, so that you can connect with me and we can learn new things together. So that is it for today's video. Hope you like the video.